Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel the GitHub Copilot subscription. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, I'm just going to follow this article or this GitHub documentation on how you can cancel your Copilot plan as individual user. So basically all you will be needing to do is just to go to the settings, and from there you will find the billing and plans, and then you will be able to start canceling your subscription. But first you will be needing to go to our Copilot. So in your GitHub, you will go here, and basically in this menu we will be finding our Copilot. So by clicking on Copilot, it will take us to our Copilot menu. So this is only the workbench, but we are not interested in this one. So from here, we will find like the system prompt, and here we will find the settings. So basically in the settings of Copilot, we will be needing just like uh, to search for the billing and plans, and it will be in access. So from here, we will find billing and plans, and you can go to payment plans and usage, and from here you will find all your plans, and basically either you can upgrade. In my case, I'm still using like the free uh, trial, and basically then you can find here your add-ons, and basically you will find your active subscription, and then you will find this managed subscription when it will be when you will add your billing information. You click on it, and then you will be needing to cancel, and after that you will need just to accept, like to confirm your choice, like by canceling GitHub Copilot, and then you will click on I understand, cancel GitHub Copilot, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.